Hi, I'm Julia from Alamo Costa del Sol Properties, and today I want to present you this fantastic penthouse. Honestly, I don't know what to stand out first of this beautiful place. Whether it's the location, you are just a stroll away from the Mediterranean beach and also a short walk to the Miramar shopping center, or its fantastic and amazing views from its 3 terraces. This one here from the living room and 2 rooftop terraces. Come and join me, let's stroll around the property. This 95 square meter built property features marble flooring throughout, a fully fitted American kitchen which is open to the living room where you access a west-facing 12 square meter terrace. It also offers 2 double bedrooms with a shared bathroom. Now, let me show you where you will surely spend most of the sunny days of the Costa del Sol in this property. 2 rooftop terraces, 25 square meters each, and amazing views to the Mediterranean Sea, the Mijas Mountain, and the medieval castle, icon of Fuengirola. So, I hope you've enjoyed your journey through this penthouse with me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!